Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Raven and I am the creator and founder of the Pilates Body Hotties on Instagram. I'm a master Pilates teacher, trainer, bar instructor, and professional dancer, and I am so excited about today's workout. For today's summer body yaddy yaddy workout, you're not gonna need any equipment. This is a dirty Pilates mat workout that is quick, it's effective, it's to the point, it's to get you all the way together before you go out and live your best summer body yaddy yaddy life. We're gonna be working your entire body today. So we're working glutes, we're working abs, we're working arms, we're working everything to make you feel your best self. Because in my opinion, there's no such thing as a summer body. I want you to feel good, I want you to feel confident, and I want you to feel hot AF all the time. Okay, so without further ado, grab your mat, grab your water, grab your thinking cap, and we're gonna get started. Here we go. Okay, you guys, we do not have much time today, so let's start by laying flat on the mat. Find your best posture here and push your arms into the mat as we start to just knee fold, pulling your knee into your chest and feeling your belly button, your ribs, your spine going down into the mat underneath you. My knee goes right above my hip for 3, 2, ooh. Now hold one leg up. Can the other one come to meet it? We do the reverse. Tap the toes down this time. Woo. So now you're coming back up to your knee fold position. Should feel a little bit different, right? Don't let your rib cage extend. Pull everything down. This is really your best posture because bikini bodies, really the best thing you could do for a bikini body is not losing a bunch of weight or doing a bunch of crazy dieting. It's having good posture, to be quite honest. 2 more. 2. This is hard. Okay, now hold your legs there. Zip them together, hands behind your thighs. Lift your chin to your chest. Look at your belly here. Pull the abs down. Now put your hands behind your head. Your neck should feel really easy. Can you curl up an extra inch? All the way down. Let's go. Lift. I want your legs to stay still. Up. Start to breathe here. Glue your legs together and try to lift off of your shoulder blades. Lift off. Blast off. Blast off. 4 more. 4. Pull the belly down. 3. You got it. 2. Last one, hold it up, extend one leg, switch, extend the other. Only one leg moves at a time. Can you try to keep that upper body up, you guys? Your abs are gonna burn. 4. Are you breathing? 2. Now, if you wanna advance, add a twist to the opposite knee. But every time we pass through center. Every time through the middle. It's burning through the center. Twist through the middle. Ay, ay, ay. 8, almost there. 7, almost there. 5, keep going, stay up. Last 3. Last 2, wide elbows. And 1, bring it in. Your abs should be working. Now, feet together down on the mat, arms by your side, curl your pelvis under, slowly lift your hips to the ceiling, squeezing your glutes lower back down. Let's do a few more of those. Lift and peel. I'm pushing down to go up. I'm pushing down with my feet. I'm pushing down with my arms. These are called Pilates shoulder bridge. Last one, hold it up there. No, go down an inch, up an inch. From your glutes, not your back. I don't want your back acting up here. 2 more. Keep drawing the abs in and up. Push the shoulders back. Hold it up on one. Marching, knee folds again, right? Looks the same like we already did. But now, it's hard to keep your hips still. Push your arms down. Push your feet down into the mat. We've got 8. You should be getting core and glutes here. I'm feeling a lot of work in my abdominals. Keep the hips up. 4, 3. We're doing a lot of twisting today. Hold your right leg up in tabletop. This is your new home base. Take your foot, peek it underneath the left leg, and then bring it back up. Repeat, peek it, twisted hips, lift. I want you to keep your left leg as still as possible. One more. Now hold it up the top. Can you extend? Does that change things? Keep your belly engaged. 2 more. Yes, my left side's about to die. 1 more. Now extend the leg to the ceiling. Almost there. Lower. Lift. Use your stomach to pull it up. Almost done. Squeeze those inner thighs. Last one. Left booty cheek on fire. Lower down. Woo. Readjust the legs and hips. Wrap the thighs together. Lift the other leg. We peek under the right. Let the hips open. Back up. I feel a big stretch on the tops of my hips. And it doesn't matter how much it peaks to the other side. Keep using your arms though. I know. Oh. Okay, now let's extend. My right knee is not moving. 2. I'm really using my abs. Okay, extend the leg up. Last thing, sweep straight down and up from your stomach. 2. Almost there. 3. Last one. 4. Put the foot down. We go back to the beginning. Roll and lift. Feel a little different? Do not stick your belly button out to get higher. I don't care. Find your best connected body. 2 more. Push those feet down. Last one. Back up. I'm getting out of breath. Go halfway down and up for 4. Wrap the butt cheeks together. 2 and 1. Roll down. Pull your knees into your chest. Wowzers. That was not easy. Okay, rock yourself up. Come onto all 4s on your mat, baby. You should be feeling pretty warm, to be honest. Let's do some cat-cow. Round your spine. Why is there a piece of rice on my mat? What? And then stretch. I love that for me. 2 more. I'm pushing down with my arms. Last one. Alrighty, find a nice neutral spine, everybody. Can you extend the left leg out? Extend the right arm out and hold your balance. Squeeze your seat. Hold it here for 4. Balance is tough, I know. 2. Lift the leg and arm a little higher, put it down, other side. Extend the leg, extend the arm, hold it. Ooh, everything got a little shaky. Can you pick your ribs up? Hold it 4. 2. Lift a little higher. Now let's alternate. Here we go. Use those abs and glutes that we already worked. Who wears their afro down to work out? Like, why did I do this? I really should have put my hair up, you guys. I really should have. Hair is looking good though. My hair has grown so much, y'all. It's actually a little crazy. Keep your core tight. It's from minding my business. That's what I always say. I mind my business so my hair grows. 8. Abs in and out. 7. 6. Almost there. Stretch longer, not higher. I'm balancing an invisible cup of coffee on my back. 4. You're breathing. 3. Almost there, almost there. 2. Okay, lower to your forearms, extend your right leg out. Flex your foot, get a big calf stretch. We lift, lower. Just straight up behind you. That's it, baby. Woo. See how I'm pushing my heel up to the ceiling, but I'm not bending my back to do it. Keep going. I'm not leaning to the left. My hips are square. My core is tight. Now hold it up. We bend the knee in, out. Hamstring curls. These are my favorite. Get your heel as tight to your butt as you can and keep your core working. 4, 5, keep that thigh up, y'all. Keep your knee up. 6, 7, almost there. Squeeze your butt. 8, push down with the arms. Ooh, almost done. Keep that thigh up. Abs are working overtime. 4, 3, 2, hold it out on 1. Little circles, leg circles here. Ooh, it's burning. 3, 4, you can do it. I'm shaking. 5, 6, shaking like bacon. 7, 8, reverse, up. My hips aren't moving. My abs are working so tight. 5, 6, almost there. 7, 8, lower. Woo, down. You should be getting a little sweaty here. Here we go, other side. Extend through the heel, big, big push. We lift, lower, lift, lower. Keep your hips square, pull your stomach up. Stretch, nice and long. 4, 3, almost there. 2, hold it up on 1, hold it. Your leg cannot go any lower. Hamstrings in, in. You got it. Keep that thigh up. 4, I want my thigh to go higher. You're gonna feel a big stretch in the front of your leg. Feels good. I think. 8 more. Try not to push back here. 7, keep that thigh lifted. 5, what if your leg was even heavier? Work with resistance. 3, almost done. 2, last 1, hold that leg. 8 little circles. 7, like I'm drawing a circle behind me. Lots of stomach. 4, 3, 2, reverse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, my booty. 2, hold it up. Lower it down. Give yourself a little shelf stretch. Woo! We just did a lot of work right there. Okay, you guys, hands come just a little bit pointed outward of mat and knees come wide. We've got some Pilates push-ups, I know. Here you go. You slowly lower your chest just an inch off the mat. You push it up. That's 1. Lower your whole body. Push away. That's 2. Are you breathing? Lengthen forward. Ooh, my armpits are getting kind of sweaty. 1 more. Woo. Now let's go a little quicker for 8. Push. Let everything work together. Lengthen the back of your neck. Oh gosh, you gotta use your breathing, y'all. Oh, I hate it too. 4. Ooh, it's burning. 3. Almost done. 2. 1. Lower down. Wow, 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 wow. Big stretch right here for 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do some inner thighs because who doesn't like snatched inner thighs? I'm gonna take my top left leg in front of my body. I'm lifting and lowering my bottom right leg. Option, lower down right here. See how much higher my leg just got? Other option, to lower your knee. I'm working,
I'm working on the weekend as usual. Keep zipping the belly. Lift that bottom leg. Up, up, up. Squeeze that inner thigh, baby. 8 more. And I'm pulling these abs in. 6, 5. This is your other option here. 4. Almost there. Woo. Hold it up on 1. Circles here. 8. Oh, this is the killer. This is the knocker. Wow. 4, 3. I really got to use my core to make it happen. Reverse. Woo. 7, 5. Oh boy. 3, 2. Hold the leg up. Bring the other one to meet it. Lower lift. Ooh. 7. Use your waist. Use those inner thighs. 5, 4. See how my hips are still stacked. Both legs are working together. Now hold it up. Little beats here. Last thing for your inner thighs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My right inner thigh is about to fall off. Okay, almost done. This is a quick little sweaty workout. I like to lay all the way down because who wants to be working out all summer? The only reason why I like working out in the summer, because otherwise I would just be outside all day, is that I really like to work out outside. So I make sure I take my walks outside. Even when it's super hot, I wear a hat, I don't care. I'd rather sweat than be freezing cold, to be honest. Let me know, are you a cold person or a hot person? I run internally hot, so I'm used to it. 8 more. Yeah, I try to go outside all the time. 4 more. Abs in and out. 3. Pilates outside is wonderful. 2. Hold it up on 1. Circles. 8. Work that left inner thigh. 6. Woo. 4. 2. Reverse it. 8. 6. It's burning. 4. 2, hold it up, top hand down, both legs long, lower, lift. Ooh, that left inner thigh is killing me. 4, this should feel nice on your waist though. 5, keep stretching through the toes. 6, you got it. 7, hold this last one up on 8, y'all. Hold it, we start to beat for 8, 7, 6, lift those legs up. Your body's in one straight line for 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, lower down. Okay, come to seated. Pull your left leg in front of your body, facing me. Extend left arm over right leg for 3. Ooh, mermaid stretch. 2, so good for your sides. And then stretch the other way. Oh my gosh, feels so good. Switch other side. If you want a little bit more out of my programs, don't forget to go to the description box below. My website's got everything you need. Every program, all 5 that I've ever done. Switch other side. When you sign up for those, you also get my recipes and meal plans, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, tips and tricks, grocery list. And you also get access, open both legs nice and wide, flex your feet, arms go up, big inner thigh stretch. We need this one, lower the head. You also get access to the Pilates Hotties community over on Instagram and at PilatesBodyRaven.com. Honestly, they're the best. Hey sisters. One more big stretch. Roll your body up and you are finished. If you like this workout, please don't be shy. Give me a like, a comment, a share, a subscribe, and I'll see you later on the mat. I'm going to enjoy my summer, baby. Okay, bye.